Hello, assalamu alaikum. In the Laravel application, how to delete your cache and cookies. This is the Laravel cookies and cache is located in under the bootstrap folder. So this is a complete application, Laravel application. So here check the bootstrap folder name. Here you check the cache. So under the cache, here is two file already provided. When you run the application, just hit a one URL. This is a very simple application. It's a very simple application. Just run there is not access date. So issue is our foundation which so here issue is located under the cookies is not working. So under the cache you should delete the cache, a package deleted and services deleted, two or three file. That means all file you should delete it under the cache folder. So cache folder is blank. Okay, fine. This is the easy solution. Another storage framework. Here is a cache. So here is also data folder. So here should need to also blank. Session also blank, and view. So view also blank. So delete all view. So delete all view in this way. So copy this, deleted the view. So created a folder name view. So done. So here also you should delete the git node. So this is the easy solution. Here also the Laravel log. Here you can check the Laravel log issue. So this is the easy solution for you. So you can delete Laravel cookies from any Laravel application.